Press the red button to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get the latest updates from Sonia Goes Natural. Welcome to Sonia Goes Natural, and today I am presenting before you Dahi Ki Sabzi. Very simple way, Sattvic Ahar you can call, prepared under 10 minutes and very delicious to taste. So let's get started with Dahi Ki Sabzi. Started with the ingredients, friends. I have taken 2 big onions. I have 1 finely chopped capsicum. I have taken coriander small bunch, curry leaves. I have taken about 10 grams of ginger, green chili small 2, and I have taken the zira 1 teaspoon each of haldi, lal mirch, garam masala, and 500 grams of curd. And salt you have to take as per your taste. So now this is a simple array of the ingredients, and let's get started with 2 teaspoons of oil. I am putting, once the oil get heated, I am putting the hing or the asafoetida, and with this I am adding the zira into it. Once the zira sputters, now is the time to add the ginger. With the ginger being added into it and nicely tossed, now is the time for me to add the curry leaves, the fresh flavors of curry leaves spreading in the entire kitchen, the green chilies, to add the little tang in that sattvic sabji. And now when everything is nicely mixed, the onions go into the sabji. With the onions you have to be very careful. You just don't have to brown it too much. So now everything is getting mixed up. You can see at this point I'm going to add all the other ingredients, starting with capsicum. So capsicum also doesn't need much cooking, as we all know. Now is the time to add all the ground masala, starting with haldi, 1 teaspoon of haldi, Kashmiri lal mirch, 1 teaspoon again. Not much masalas quantity wise go into this. Little bit of garam masala, nicely tossing it up again. And now is a point where everything is nicely mixed up, putting the salt as per your taste. Now here what we have to do is, one very important thing which we have to remember is a little bit of coriander, that we have to dry up. We have to just cool the masala completely before adding the curd. So now is my time of switching off the gas and letting it cool to the point where it is completely cool. So let's wait to that point. Now my masala is completely cool. At this point I am going to add the little bit of sugar for that wonderful taste, 1 teaspoon. And now I'm adding the last and the most important ingredient, the curd. So now with the masala totally cooled up, there is no point where your curd will cuddle up, and it will give a very smooth and a very good consistency. Look at how the sabji is turning up. Believe me, even without the cuddling up, the sabji tastes wonderful. So this is completely ready to be shelled out now. So presenting to you this wonderful sabji which I have decorated with curry leaves and fresh coriander, and look at the thick consistency. Enjoy. Hope you would have liked this preparation of Dahi Ki Sabzi, It's very old tradition sabji, and which is prepared in a very simplistic way, as you have seen. So do try it next time, and till we meet next time, you know what you have to do. Please like my channel, please subscribe to it, and please share it among your friends. Till we meet next time, bye bye.